How to draw a construction line? First of all, open your AutoCAD and choose and click here in your background and give option Excel, enter, and choose specific point and V for vertical and to draw your vertical construction line. Okay, then scroll down and again click and Excel, enter specific point H for horizontal and give your horizontal line to specific distance in your opinion. Again Excel, enter, choose A for angle and give 45 angle and choose your own also and give specific angle. Okay, thank you, visit again.